Welcome to River Falls, South Carolina. I picked up some of these land wave ramps and gonna try them out, do some jumps, have some fun on them. Let's give them a try. Whew. Oh shit. Whoa. Woohoo! There we go. Done. All right, let's hit it the other way. A little bit more speed. Oh, my dog's in the way. Awesome. We're gonna put these things together and try to jump some more stuff later. Maybe not today. I'm just trying them out. Woohoo! All right, hit them a few more times. Practice makes perfect. Whoa! Mic on the ground. Put that back up. All right. Gonna have to figure out how to hold that one on a little bit better. Let's see. That might work. Let's give it a try again. Yeah, I geared up 100% for this, just in case. Woohoo! Pants I'm wearing has built-in knee pads. I really like them. Here we go again. All right, I'm gonna try to get a little bit more distance with this. See if I can get it going. Whew. Here we go. Whoa! Woo! I landed a little bit too far back on that thing. It cut out on me a little bit. First time the Max is cut out. You don't know. All right, let's try it again. I'll have to see if I can stay a little bit more flat. I think that's what the problem was. I leaned too far back when I jumped. Here we go again. I'm running through sand and rocks to get to the ramp. Makes it a little bit more difficult to. It's awesome. Can't wait to try bigger stuff. But for now, we're just going to do this. Ooh, a little rough legs. The hit the master, but I want a red one. I'll probably have to wait until the third run on those. Oh my goodness. See if I can keep it straight. Whew. Lord. Whew. One side keeps on getting me another time. See if I can stay straighter up on it. I don't know why I keep on messing up on this ramp. That was better. With the small stuff until you get good with it. Whew. Whew. That's awesome. I have to set up a landing ramp now that I know where I'm landing at and jump ramp to ramp. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's give it another try. And that's what happens when you lean too far forward. All right, here we go. I am landing in some soft dirt. It's digging in pretty good. So let's do that again. If you're not falling, you're not learning. Oh, I hit the branch above me. All right. Love my new purchase. These ramps are awesome. They're called land waves. They're awesome. A couple more jumps. That'll be it for right now. I have to work another session out. Woo! Might have to wear it next time. Bouncing. Ooh, here we go. Last jump. Last one for right now. All right, awesome. Again, welcome to upstate South Carolina, River Falls, at the river. Having a little bit of fun in the sand. Peace out.